Hi, welcome to my course on AWS with Python and Boto3, managing EC2 and VPC. As being the first of the series of courses for AWS, in this one, we're going to be focusing on EC2 and VPC. We're going to be launching our own virtual private cloud environment using Python and Boto3. And after that, we're going to be launching subnets and EC2 instances on them. We're going to have public accessible EC2, and we're of course going to have a private EC2 instance. We're going to be doing all these programmatically and not a single one manually. So this is a very hands-on course, and I'm happy that you decided to take this course with me. I'm really excited that you're going to learn a lot from this course, both about Python, Boto3, and managing AWS resources using SDKs, especially with Python and Boto3 again. So without further ado, let's go check out what we're going to cover in this course in detail.